we can hear the sound of birds, that is chirping of birds. They are telling their friends it's a time, actually it's a time to go home. They are helping, see, just hear it, they are helping their friends that we are now no time for us to play, we'll go home, like this. And the atmosphere very peaceful, sky is also clear, and very cooly and breezy. So this nature is a really a good nature, and it's makes your mood very happy, and you feel to enjoy this atmosphere in a nice way. Thanks for this video. If you like, you share it, and uh, pass a comments. Thank you.